a classic I've never tried. This is the low alcohol Old Speckled Hen. Not more than 0.5%. But I saw this in Morrison's, as I said before. Haven't seen it in Tesco before, so I thought it would give it a whirl. It's got quite a nice bottle cap to it. Yeah, I'm a fan of Speckled Hen and Crafty Hen, and there are three types, aren't there? There's a yellow one, a red one, and a black one. Just pour this out, nice golden colour, which you kind of expect. What we're looking for here, most of all, is a drink that tastes nice, but obviously a drink that, if it's a non-alcoholic or low-alcoholic version of something else, can it replicate it? Enjoy it responsibly. Crafted by the Master Brewer, Old Speckled Hen. Premium Ale. 54% fewer calories than regular Old Speckled Hen. So that's what we're looking at here, people. That's the deal. 54% less calories than the normal Old Speckled Hen. So let's see what we can see. It's a nice little colour. I think blue is the colour for most non-alcoholic versions of beer. Nice dark colour there. A lot of head. The head is slightly tanned. I don't know if it picks up in the video. Let's give that a whirl. Kind of a smokiness to the flavour there. Pours nice. I mean, all these non-alcoholic ones I've found, for the most part, pour. The consistency of the actual beer itself is always going to be quite a fine liquid, I guess, but it just feels like it flows a bit, like it's thinner when it's non-alcoholic. There's not much to that. You've got the oakiness, and then it's kind of just a watery finish to it. No, I can't really say much more than that, to be fair. Yay or nay? I'd say I can't recommend this one. There are so much better products out there, especially for dry January, non-alcoholic, low alcoholic. I mean, it's not bad. If you like that kind of thing. It's kind of an oaky taste to it. Bit of an earthy taste, and then it just dips into just like a watery finish at the end. Can't recommend that. But again, if you've tried it, what did you think about it? We've all got different palates. We all think different things. Are there any beers I've missed this month you would have liked me to taste in the non-alcoholic range? And are you looking forward to anything you've seen in either of those beer haul videos I did? But thanks for watching, comment below, subscribe, and keep in the loop about what's going on. And as for now, I'll see you. Yeah, you right there. I'll see you in the review. Because I am gone.